The police and soldier them can rip it apart, is it? They can rip it apart, my boy. They rip it right apart. Look, my people, they rip it apart. As you see, my people, up on the seat. So you walk on and we are climb up in a tie, soldier them can rip it and the police them in the JDF, you know. Go see what go on in it, and they want to know everything what's going on. So we are climb up. You understand what I say? Yeah, we are climb up. Look, this is what in here look like. Man, rip it apart, daddy. Man, rip it apart. But anybody want pass, anybody want aluminum, anybody want anything when you can get it. Check it out. Plane crashing Rocky Point, man, rip it. Soldier and police rip it apart. They want to know what go on. Understand what I say? Playing a well equipment in a man. Well equipment in a man. I'm not joking something in a man. See there, my people. And man, destroy everything. And destroy everything, my people, is it? And destroy everything, my people. Everything and destroy. You understand? Yeah. They want to know what go on. Still not get no information on what go on, is it? Everything get fucked. Because the place pretty. Look, my people. I'm not joking something. This try thing get this try, is it? This try get this try right now, is it? This try, real life story. People playing sweet, man, and this try playing, man. This try. Sweet piece of playing this. First me ever again now one. Gregory Hamilton, YouTube, share and like. You know, cost you $1. Subscribe at all giving moment. You understand? Police and the soldier then come mash it up. So they want to know what go on. You understand what I say? Yes. Look, my people, everything there. Is it? I don't know, I'm joking something, man, my people, man. See all the young to window came up with, man. Is it, my people, everything there. Look, my people, everything there. Really, direct, I don't know, I'm joking something. You understand? All the this can't come up, man, look. Look. So far you can come out, come. 2 pile at night one time. You see, my people, I'm not joking something, man. Brand new something, man, is it? Brand new, man, brand new. They mash it up. But any idea, anybody who have sense and want plain parts, plain anything, they can come right to Rocky Point, come get it. The soldier then destroy and left. Gregory Hamilton, YouTube, share and like at all given moment. You understand? And tear it apart. But hold it more something in the look. All the equipment them want, you can't get them, man. See there, at least I can go back in, look. Sitting paper. All you can go back in, all you can out. Plane crashing Rocky Point, you understand? Check you out. Gregory Hamilton, YouTube, share and like at all given moment. It don't cost you $1 for watch, man. Real life story, man. You understand? If you can look good, you look on Rocky Point. Is it? I'm playing that today. Is it? I look through glass, right at Rocky Point. You see what I say? Is it? I don't know, I'm joking something. Yeah, man. Real life story, man. Down to TVG and CVM there. Want the view, want everything. You understand what I say? Yes, everything there, parts, everything. Plain parts scanned on them, brand new. So anybody want plain parts, just come right to Rocky Point. Don't afraid, don't shy. Nothing wrong, nothing do. You understand what I say? Anything you want for your plane, you just come to Rocky Point. It's right here. Then just dismantle it up. See there, everything brand new, angle, everything the same. You can't get out anything you want. You understand what I say? Then dig where they want, dig out tight. Police and soldier, I don't know how to them game. I don't know them response to Jamaica, so anything where they want to do, man, they do, they're free. Is it? Everything there, man. For sure it's not joking something, people. Everything there. And this man clean up, boy, is it? No man not dead still. No man not dead. Every man escape and gone about them business. Save and alright. I'm going to reach back all home too. So you go. You must know where them come upon. I know them come about. That's what I say. Man, they have everything. Every equipment. Everything. Everything they have. That's why you can see it, you know, saying no joke or something this. That's what I say. Yeah, no joke or game. Thing they real.